Hi guys. So in this video we are going to discuss about MBA marketing specialization. So we'll discuss about the subjects in marketing specialization, jobs for MBA marketing, skills which are required for this marketing role, and qualifications that you can do after doing MBA marketing, and software skills that you should learn okay while doing MBA marketing. Okay, so that's what we are having here. So let's start. So first we'll discuss the subjects which are there in MBA specialization. We are discussing it on the basis of University of Madras syllabus. So the subjects will little bit change according to university as well as to college. So you have to check with your university or college like what is their syllabus exactly. Okay. So we have given you a overview of all the subjects that can be there in a particular MBA marketing specialization. Okay. So let's start. So for marketing specialization, this is usually in the third semester or in the second year. You will be given a choice to select these specializations. So you might have a subject called as retail marketing, consumer behavior, integrated marketing communication, services marketing, sales and distribution management, product and brand management, and digital marketing. So uh, are you allowed to select the specialization? The answer is you can select the marketing as a specialization because most colleges offer marketing as a choice, but the subjects within this specialization, okay, you cannot select. Okay, it's only the university or college will allocate you. Okay, the reason is, for example, if to teach digital marketing, if they don't have a faculty, then they will not offer digital marketing as a particular choice. Okay, they will not offer you. So they will ask you to do select like other subjects as a choice to study, but they will not offer you digital marketing. So if they don't have a faculty for consumer behavior, again they will not offer. Okay, so based upon like the availability of faculty, the majority of students, like which subjects they require, based upon that only the college will give you the choices. Okay, so they will give you a few choices and you have to select few subjects from there. Okay, so that is how the specialization works. So let's look at the job opportunities for MBA marketing specialization. So you can join as a marketing manager, brand manager, digital marketing specialist, product manager, research market research analyst, sales manager, advertising manager, social media marketing manager, public relations manager, business development manager, retail marketing manager, customer relationship manager, content marketing sales specialist, media planner. Okay, so these are the roles which are available for marketing specializations. So whenever we hear the word marketing, we think that it is only a sales job, right? Going from door to door and selling items like that. No, it's not like that. See, marketing is a very huge scope. Okay, it has a huge amount of work is like involved. So marketing actually means like creating ads, right? Creating ads for the TV, for social media, for radio. Okay, so ensuring that people are knowing about the company, that is like actually marketing. Okay, about the product and about the company here, so that is like marketing. So to do this we should have a brand. Okay, so every company has a brand. Okay, for example, HP is a brand, iPhone is a brand, Apple is a brand. So everything's a brand here, so the brand has to be like unique. So for that they have a brand manager, right? So once a brand is there and once we have marketed that brand to the customer, okay, then only we have something called a sales manager. So sales manager job is to make the sales happen. So it can be like so many types of sales are there. For example, there is a B2B sales. Okay, B2B sales is you sell to other companies. Okay, you sell your product to other companies or businesses, that is like B2B. B2C is like selling to consumers. So it can be like selling to warehouses, selling to distributors, selling to retail shops. Okay, and even selling to consumers directly. So it can also be a B2C. Okay, within the sales only you have this even have a concept called as this door to door marketing. Okay, so don't imagine like door to door sales is the only thing which is available in marketing. It's not. It's only a small part of the job roles. Okay, and you also have advertising manager, social media manager, like that. So whether a product has potential or not, if you want to learn, then you will have a job called as market research analyst. Okay, whether this product has a scope, whether this product has a market, like that, if you want to make a research, then you can search for market research analyst, right? So there's a huge amount of roles here. Okay, for example, you can even join as a customer relationship manager. So you don't need to make sales as a CRM, as a customer relationship manager. You don't need to make any sales here. There is already a customer. Your job was to ensure that the customer retains with the company. So you ask his problems, okay, you solve his problems, okay, and then you ensure that this customer is again buying the products from you, okay, or the services from you. So marketing, don't limit it as just sales. It's not going to be sales alone, okay. It has marketing, branding, creative thinking, okay, customer relationship manager. It has a lot of scope here, okay. So uh, don't narrow it down to just like door to door sales. So what are the skills you need to do this marketing roles like properly? So you need skills like creative thinking, right, for creating an ad, dealing with the customer, or launching a product. For everything you need a creativity here. You should have strong communication because you are going to deal with another human, okay, either directly or indirectly. Directly in the sense you are going to sell a product to the customer, right? Indirectly, how your communication and skills will be helpful is, you need to deal with humans in terms of creating an advertising and reaching them, right? So you are going to either directly deal with humans or indirectly you are going to convince them. So either way you should have a strong communication skill, and you should have a good presentation skill, okay. So you have to dress neatly, you have to groom yourself, you have to present yourself way better. Your The way you speak should be very convincing, persuasive, like that. So these are skills which are, you have to learn it, okay. That's like no other choice, you have to learn the skills. If these skills are automatically in you, then you are a natural manager, okay, natural marketing manager. So you should think analytically and strategically. You should build a relationship not only with the customer, with all the employees in the company, right, with your, even your competitors, like what they are doing. So you should have a networking, because uh, a company might be a competitor today for you, okay, but tomorrow you might apply for a job in the competitor itself, right? So you should have a good relationship even with your competitors. So that's the idea here. And you should be adaptable, and you should have a good problem solving. So this is something like common among all the MBA jobs, right? So that's the idea here. So what qualifications you can do either while doing MBA marketing or even after doing the MBA? Okay, you, if you are like oriented towards digital marketing, okay, you can learn about certified digital marketing professional. So if you are aiming for going into this particular field, you should do the certificate. If you're not aiming to go for this field, okay, then you should not have a good idea about this digital marketing. But a basic idea is like really good, okay. Basic idea is like really good. Again, Google Analytics certification is based for digital marketing only. HubSpot inbound marketing certification, again, that is also for digital marketing. Social media marketing certifications, okay, this is also like digital marketing. Search engine optimization, again it is a digital marketing. Content marketing certification, again it is digital marketing. So the idea here is mostly for marketing, okay, the certifications which are available for marketing is digital marketing stuff only, right? So if you want to do a B2C sales or a B2B sales, there is like no certification at all available, okay. You have to practically get trained for it. So the only way to learn it is to do it, okay, and on the job only you have to do it, okay. So marketing, you learn it by doing it. So you can't learn through certifications. So that is the only problem here. But the good thing is you actually learn these skills uh, by doing it, okay. So if you are into digital marketing space, you, there is a like quite huge amount of certifications that you can do, okay. But if you want to do things which are other than digital marketing, then I don't think there's like much certifications here, okay. So one really good certification that you can try is HubSpot. HubSpot is like really good. So you have to just log in, and there is like a lot of certifications which are available. Actually, you can do all of these, whether it's like basics of digital marketing or inbound marketing, or SEO or content marketing. Everything they have course. So you can try HubSpot. Okay, so that is something which I suggest. Even I have done like HubSpot YouTube marketing certification. Okay, so that is something which I really felt like was quite useful. Okay, so you also could do that. Okay, so what are the software skills that you should learn while doing MBA or at least after doing MBA? So you should learn Microsoft Office. There's no other choice because definitely you will have these applications to be used in your office. Canva, if you are into digital marketing, you can use this. Cloud-based certifications, Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, Slack. Again, if your company is requiring this, you should learn it. Social media management, you should have a broad idea about how Facebook works, Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp are working, okay, and how it works for the business. Okay, you might be using WhatsApp for your personal reasons, but not about the personal. We are talking about using WhatsApp for business purpose. Okay, so that is the idea here. So these are softwares which are there, but you should learn these softwares if your company is asking for them. Okay, for example, Salesforce or HubSpot. SEO and SEM tools, digital marketing tools, social media platforms, and email marketing software. So all the ones which are marked in red, you should compulsorily do it. Okay, while doing your MBA, you should have a good grasp about all these things. The ones which are marked in black, it depends upon your company, your role. If required, you can do it, or else you don't need to do these. Okay, so that is our idea. So hope this video is like very useful for you guys. So give a like for it. If you feel uh, if you feel like it's like really good, then share with your friends. Okay, who are like planning to do MBA specialization. So share it with them, and tell which is a good MBA. Okay, MBA HR, MBA marketing, or MBA finance, and which one you are trying to pursue. Okay. So thank you guys. We'll meet in the next video.